Bitcoin Money is as of now at the number 20 position in the digital currency market. It had an ATH of $4,355.62 on December 20, 2017, while the ongoing cost is just $233.90, somewhere near 94.59% from its ATH. Has the BCH token lost its appeal? Will BCH crypto recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other applicable questions in our Bitcoin Money value expectation and considerably more. Based on our Bitcoin Money cost forecast 2023, the BCH token is expected to reach $449.43 before the current year's over. The BCH crypto is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $490.49 and $749.21 individually, according to our Bitcoin Money cost forecast 2025. As per our BCH cost forecast 2030, the coin will have a greatest cost of $2,350.49, while the base cost might be around $1,538.81. What is Bitcoin Money? Bitcoin Money's introduction to the world was represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the tremendous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential target of Bitcoin Money, BCH, was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and debates encompassing adaptability in the blockchain. Keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized server and security as the crucial purposes, this BCH was ready to work with the expansion and block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, subsequently accomplishing a dramatically fast of exchange process. Bitcoin Money depends on cryptographic strategies that depend on zero exposure proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any authentic information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security snags are captured first. A remarkable quality of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. When BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to subsidize English pounds and numerous cryptographic forms of money like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. The value history of Bitcoin Money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, soon after its creation, Bitcoin Money had a worth of more than $4,000. It looks astounding that the coin began losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level definitely. Since mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted progressive remedy and toward the finish of 2018, it fell beneath $100. Then, at that point, till 2020, Bitcoin had figured out how to enroll range-bound, exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point forward, from the start of 2021, the cost of the BCH coin has soared and reached $1,549. Afterward, it confronted a sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since last year, Bitcoin Money has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with a solid opposition of around $300 to date. Notwithstanding, the ongoing cost activity mirrors the likelihood that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. Bitcoin Money splitting 2024, the block dividing occasions that happen like clockwork, or 210,000 blocks, are presently set to occur in the primary quarter of 2024 for Bitcoin Money. The ongoing compensation for a block is 6.25 BCH, while the following block price will boil down to 3.125 BCH. Brokers and financial backers have their eyes on the impending BCH dividing, since it could altogether affect the cost of BCH. The first dividing was not beneficial in that frame of mind, while of Bitcoin Money cost, as it had fallen radically not long after the splitting. Notwithstanding, market opinions and current cost activity appear to be bullish for BCH crypto. To tackle the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers have prompted adhering to this cash essentially for the reasons of future cost acceleration assumptions. As a matter of fact, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. As per Bitcoin Money, BCH cost forecast, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. As indicated by the Bitcoin money cost forecasts, bulls might be back. The cash ought to wind up around $319 toward the finish of 2023. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin 2024 at $140.852 and finish the year at $262.608, as per our BCH forecasts. During the whole year, the normal anticipated BCH cost might be $187.907. The cryptographic money market is profoundly unpredictable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of elements like guidelines, rivalry, the development of new tech, market feelings, and so forth. There are a few expectations given by crypto brokers, lovers, and even crypto gauging sites. Bitcoin money's cost today is exchanging around $230.18, with a circling supply of 19,523,969 BCH, while compassing. The market capitalization shows a strong $4,493,878,991. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as deduced by specialists. Bitcoin money needed to put forth a huge attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currencies. It isn't well before it would beat. The majority of the contenders of BCH, as well, didn't entrance the brokers by the same token. Nonetheless, the consistency that the Bitcoin money cost has attempted to show is in itself an extraordinary component to discuss. Its contribution in different brave tasks has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the energy. Bitcoin money forecast 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been straying from its way, typically every several years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $207.16 and $449.43 as the most extreme cost. As indicated by Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, the normal cost could be around $431.87. BCH value expectation 2024 for the year 2024, the normal greatest worth is $586.58, with a base worth of $384.02 in light of our BCH cost expectation. In correlation, the typical exchanging cost is supposed to be $485.30 for Bitcoin money tokens. Your ongoing venture might ascend by over 100%. The progressions in the blockchain may prompt this huge ascent in BCH cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025. As per our BCH crypto cost expectation, the coin will see an ascent of around 40% in the whole year. It will exchange from the expected low of $490.49 to the most extreme degree of $749.21. During the whole year, the coin will have a typical exchanging cost of $619.85. BCH coin value expectation 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost